Do you all want to stroke him?
Yeah.
Stunning, aren't they? There are 3,000 species of snakes on the planet. Spiders, they are over 30,000 as a species. And they are, of course, what we call keystone species. This is Romeo, and he is, of course, an owl. This is an animal that lives in our communities. He is a British bird of prey. Romeo, it's your food. Look, mouse drumstick. Come on. Good boy. When a scorpion is born, maybe 20 baby scorpions will climb onto the mother's back, all looking like milk chocolate. Their venomous sting isn't red, it's white. It's only when it goes red that it has developed that venom. This is Bear, and Bear is, of course, a meerkat. And let him sit with you. Come on, you. How cool is that? Don't move, you've got this, it's all right. 2,500 years ago, why do you think we wanted ferrets? Apart from being cute. God. He's lovely.
Good.
Of course, they're mammals, hair, fur, don't lay eggs, and they also feed their young, milk. I don't buy unusual morphs like this. These two were rescued